Look at where I'm at. I'm in the middle of the ocean. And I'm on a boat. And look, I got a boat toy. Whoa!
Cut you off.
No!
Oh!
I was gonna try to make you get your boat to the dock.
You can kind of drive it pretty far, huh? This is fun. My boat jumped right over your boat.
Just had to stand still. What's up?
I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like a Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck foot. It can buy me a Yeti. Yeah, man, that's the song, man. I forgot the words to it, man, but it sounds good, man.